Briggs and Stratton lawnmower, yard work. It's about 15 to 20 years old, I can't remember. And what happened was last week when I tried to push the starter cable, this part right here broke off from here, so I unscrewed all this stuff and I took these things apart, and I thought I could get a new cable for it, but when they're like 15, 20 years old, people don't have cables for these. So what I did was I thought about stuff, and I came up with a little jig. So here's the jig. Okay, this is usually comes here, attaches in here, and this thing's supposed to be in here. But because you got nothing to pull with over here, keep it over there. Don't move it around a lot. Okay, just put it where I need it, which is right here. So what I did was I took a hanger, wire hanger, and I just folded over the one side to allow me to put some tension on here, so that when I want to start the lawnmower, all I really have to do is here's what I have to do. Okay, I don't really have to do anything now because the lawnmower, that start cable thing was right here, and now it pulls it, the tension pulls it so that it opens up right there. Now all I have to do is lift this and it shuts. Okay, these are zap straps from here all the way up to here, and I've got this little hook here so that I don't have like another zap strap here that well, it might be too tight or it might be too loose, and you can never get the setting right. But with this thing, it's perfect the way it is right now. You just got to get it so that it opens up enough that that this thing here, it was in here a little bit, and then it gets pulled out with the tension to release on this, right? So that's that, and all you have to do, because that way this doesn't get locked up, right? So all you have to do is I just raise my handle. That's it. It's done.